morning, student. Today I am sending my next video of introduction of chapter 5, lines and angles. Now, angles in daily life. If you look around us, we will see angles everywhere, like this navigation, sides of aeroplane or angle made by aeroplane, angle made by fish mouth, angle made by hut, angle made by Caesar, sunset, table, chair. So all around you can find the angles. But these are of different types angles. So there are so many types of angles. You have already learned some angles. Now more relative angles are there. So let us start the types of angle now. Types of angles. Acute angle, which is less than 90 degree. So this is the figure of acute angle. Next is right angle. Right angle is exactly of 90 degree angle. Obtuse angle, an angle that measure between 90 to 180, that is called obtuse angle. Straight angle, an angle that is exactly 180 degree. Reflex angle, an angle that measure between 180 and 180 to 360 degree, that is called reflex angle. Full angle or complete angle, an angle that is exactly of 360 degree. So these are the types of angle which you have already learned in your previous class. Now there are still more angles, so let us look after that angles. So next type is complementary angles. Now what are complementary angles? Two angles whose angle measure total 90 degree, means example is there, one angle is of 30 degree and one angle is of 60 degree. If you add both the angles, you will get 90 degree. So these kind of angles are called complementary angles. If you add them, answer should be 90 degree. Then only you can call them complementary angle. This is the example of complementary angle. The red lines mark shows that these two angles are there, and if you add these two angles, the answer should be of 90 degree. So in our day-to-day life, there are so many examples are there. So this is the one kind of example of complementary angle. Next is supplementary angles. Now what are supplementary angles? Two angles whose measure total 180 degree. Means on the right side there is the example. One angle is of 42 degree and one angle is of 138. So if you add them, you will get the answer 180 degree. So two angles जिनका sum 180 degree होता है, that are called supplementary angles. This is the example of day-to-day life. These chairs, red mark and the blue mark, if you add them, you will get a straight line, means 180 degree. So this is the example of supplementary angles. Next is adjacent angle. Now what are adjacent angle? When two angles share a side and a vertex but have no common interior points, means AOB has a vertex O, angle BOC again have a vertex O, so they are having a common vertex, and one common side is OB. OB is in angle AOB and angle BOC. So OB is common. If one side is common, vertex is common, so you can say these are the adjacent angles. Now this is the example of adjacent angle. There are so many adjacent angle. So in this way you can find out so many adjacent angle in our day-to-day life. Next is vertical angles. Now vertically opposite angles are when two lines intersect at a point, they form four angles. Then no adjacent angles are these adjacent angles are called vertical angles. Now basically this is a cross. So one is a vertical of angle 3 and 2 is a vertically opposite of angle 4. So in this way these type of angles are called vertically opposite angles. Now look at the picture. This is an example of vertically opposite angles. These roads are crossing each other and they are making a cross here. So this is the example of vertical opposite angle. Next is linear pair. Now two angles form a linear pair if and only they meet these conditions. Conditions are, first, they are adjacent angles. एक तो ये adjacent angles होने चाहिए. Next, their uncommon sides are opposite ray. Uncommon side means AC and BC. AC and BC should be in opposite direction. Only then you can say they are a linear pair. And one more, if you add them, these two angles, the answer should be 180 degree. So these type of angles are called linear pair. Now this is the example of linear pair in our day-to-day life. Angle AO, you can say C, and BOC, these are forming a linear pair. So in this way you can find out linear pair in our day-to-day life. So these are the types of angles and you have to write down this introduction in your notebook. Thank you.